Welcome. Today, we're going to explore a useful feature of the Messenger app on PC, how to archive a group chat. With the latest update, this process is straightforward and can help you keep your chat list organized. Let's jump right in. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't updated it recently, make sure you're using the latest version to access all the new features. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, scroll through your chats to find the group you want to archive. This is particularly handy for groups that you don't need cluttering your main chat list, but still want to keep for future reference. Once you've located the group, hover over it to reveal some options. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually located on the right side of the group chat preview. Click on these dots, and a small menu will pop up with several choices. From this menu, select Archive Chat. When you click this option, the group chat will instantly disappear from your main list and move to your archived chats. This helps you maintain a clean workspace while ensuring that important conversations are still accessible. If you ever need to revisit an archived group chat, simply scroll to the bottom of your chat list and click on Archive Chats. Here, you'll find all the groups you've archived. You can easily unarchive them whenever you want to bring them back to your main chat list.